Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the question and answer app. First, locate the app in your device's store and complete the quick installation. Once installed, you'll be prompted to create your user profile, a process that takes less than 1 minute. After setup, you can immediately begin exploring the app's intuitive interface, designed for straightforward navigation. Get ready to connect and share knowledge effortlessly. To get the best responses, always formulate your questions clearly and concisely. Think about what information you need and phrase your query directly. Don't forget to add relevant tags. These help categorize your inquiry and ensure it reaches the right audience. For even more clarity, you can attach images or documents, providing valuable additional context to your question. This approach significantly improves your chances of receiving helpful answers. When answering, share your expertise by providing accurate and well-thought-out information. Your contributions help build a valuable knowledge base for everyone. If you find an answer particularly helpful, be sure to upvote it. This boosts its visibility and rewards the contributor. Conversely, if you encounter any inappropriate content, please report it. This helps us maintain a high-quality and respectful community environment for all users. To truly maximize your experience, personalize your feed by following topics and users whose insights you value. Engaging actively and providing valuable contributions will help you earn reputation points, enhancing your standing within the community. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, as well as other great deals. We're always working to improve, so keep exploring all the features available to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.